Hey guys, welcome back to New Look. Today I am back with another DIY full body whitening mask. Within few weeks you will get a fairer skin, even tone for the entire body. So now I am going to show that how to prepare this full body whitening mask. So let's going into the procedure. For this full body whitening mask, we are going to use some curd, this gram flour or basin powder, turmeric, coconut oil and some rose water. By using all three ingredients, we are going to prepare a face mask. Firstly, take a neat and clean bowl, add one tablespoon of gram flour. Now I am taking only 1 tablespoon. If you are going to use for your entire body, the amount will be increased. 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of curd, just half a spoon of turmeric powder, 2 drops of coconut oil, and finally for mixing, rose water. I'm adding a few drops of rose water. And mixing it like a paste. It should not be thick nor thin. The paste is medium consistency like this you are seeing in my video. Generally, these face masks at home with turmeric are very helpful to treat a number of skin conditions such as dark spots, blemishes, acne, pigmentation, wrinkles, stress marks and cracked heels too. This pack is very useful for your skin. The turmeric has been used traditionally as a beauty treatment in India. It helps to balance and restore skin's natural pH level. It slows down the skin's aging process, heals dry skin and makes skin supple. Turmeric is also good for acne as it is a natural antiseptic. We the Indians, a mixture of turmeric and gram flour is applied to the bride and bridegroom on the morning of the wedding day, so they will have a golden glow on their skin at the time of their wedding. So this mask is very useful for your skin. After mixing well, just take a small amount. You can apply this paste on your whole body from top to bottom, from your forehead to your tip of your foot. Now I'm showing how to apply. Just take some amount in your hands and apply onto your feet. Don't massage this, just apply. If you have brush at your home, you can use your brush. As of now, I am using my hand. After applying, allow to dry. It will dry in within 5 to 10 minutes. After that, apply another coat like this. And let it dry for 15 minutes and then wash it off. While washing it off, just sprinkle some water and massage gently, not roughly. Just gently massage and remove your mask. That's it. If you desire to have a glowing skin like you admire your favorite actors on the large screen, just try this video. This is very effective and gives you a miracle results, even skin tone for your entire body. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.